Just a quick overview of how to set up your case study using APA referencing. Just to begin with, we're going to have subject name, assignment name, your name, and Newington College on the front page. Contact information, put your email address. On the second page, we're going to have a header and a page number. We're going to have contents. We're going to have double line spacing, indentation on the first line of each paragraph. We're going to use APA referencing, put an example here of an interview, a web page and a book. And then we're also going to have a referencing page like this. So just to get it started, new document. So go to paragraph and then we're going to make it double. Indentation, first line, set as default and just this document only. And then we're just going to come down roughly to the center. Just space that out so visually there's not too much negative space. Okay, so we just enter down, contact details, email address. On to the next page, just double click in this area and that'll open up your footer. And just go to Times New Roman. So this is where we're just going to put design technology, case study, and then we're going to just tab over, so using the tab key. And we're going to drop down this little page number here from current position and just a plain one. And we want the first page to be different. We don't actually want this to appear on the first page, so we check that box. And then we close that. So now we can see that it's not on the first page, but on the second. And just Control A, so select all and just make sure that it stays in Times New Roman. And then we just go through, we're going to put in referencing, table of contents, so automatically. Go to insert, a page break. And this is where we'll actually just start writing our information, blah, blah, blah. And then we get some information that we want to cite. So we're going to go through and we're going to go to references. We've got different styles here. So we're going to go APA and we need to put in a insert citation, so a new source. And so I'll show you a little example of putting in a book. So a book that I was researching before online was Good Product, Bad Product by James L. Adams from Stanford. So I can just go through and the author, so copy, and you might have the physical book, which will make it much easier. So author, good product, bad product. I know it's 2012 is the publishing year. Where's New York? And the publisher, just go back to the website, McGraw & Hill, so I'll just copy, paste that in there, and we go OK. So that now references the information that we need to acknowledge the source. And then so we just continue writing, and then we just put in another page break. And then on this page here, we can actually, through referencing, we can put down not a bibliography but a reference list, and that now updates every time we add a new reference in there. So with the example I gave before, you know, I put in this one here is from an interview from a podcast. So if we look down on our reference list here, we've got Jay Pearson, so Swedish surfer and innovation who built Surfer Design Leash, and there it is for the podcast. And the same one when I looked at the information from the website, we've got retrieved from Firewire Surfboards with the URL there as well for referencing. If I wanted to add more to it, I can actually click on this button here and it will update if I've added any more new ones on there. And the same with your contents list. We can update that as we're going. So I hope this has been helpful.